What's up, guys? Today's day 1579 of us living the van life lifestyle. We're a family of 3 traveling through the US, and we're currently in the Great Basin National Park in Nevada, and this is a day in our lives. Last night we camped over at the campground here at the Great Basin National Park, and right now it's 7:30. I'm making the drive over to the visitor center to hopefully pick up some tickets for the Lehman Caves tour. The tickets sell out pretty quickly from what the ranger told us yesterday. They only sell 20 tickets per day, and they only do 1 tour per day. The Lehman Caves are the must-do, is one of the must-dos here at the Great Basin National Park. Hopefully I can get some tickets and we can go on this tour. Here we are at the visitor center. I don't see anyone at the front waiting yet. Let's see if I'm the first one. Got my chair ready. Looks like no one else is here. And looks like I'm going to be the first one. Nice. And they have benches here, so I don't even need chairs. But here we are. I'm just going to hang out here for about an hour and a half until they open, and we're going to be secured for tickets for today's tour. Nice. Oh, and of course I'm wearing the silk bag. It's like the walking sleeping bag. I mean, today's not that cold actually. The sun's in front of me, and actually feel pretty nice right now. I might need to take this off when it gets a little bit warmer, but just in case, you know. On second thought, I don't need the silk bag. I just put it back in the van. It's actually really nice and warm with the sun just in my face. So just gonna hang out here for a little bit.
So there's now another tour.
Oh.
Thanks, guys. Awesome.
2 tours today.
Oh, great.
10. So it looks like they added another tour here at 10 o'clock today. Also limited to 20 people.
So I'm assuming everybody is here for cave tour tickets.
Yes.
Yeah. Just come up to me one group at a time, and I'll get you guys your tickets.
Great. Thank you. How are you doing this morning?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Great.
All right. How can I help?
2 adults and 1 toddler. Does he have to pay? He's
Is he
years
under
old.
5?
Under 5.
Perfect. Then
Yeah.
You're good.
So,
yeah,
2 adults. Just got our tickets for 1:30. Perfect. It's the first one online. Nice. And the tickets were $12 per person. And Spencer is free because he is under 5 years old. Since our tour is at 1:30, let's make our way back to the campground there and hang out there for a little bit. Make some breakfast. I think they're still sleeping in the back. And then we'll go on the tour later on. There was a crowd of probably like 40 people waiting. I don't think everyone's gonna get tickets. I mean, luckily they did 2 tours today. Otherwise, half of those people definitely won't get tickets because we got 3 tickets already. And then, yeah, it's definitely come early if you guys are looking for tickets like this. 7:30 seems to be the earliest for me. I mean, that was the first one. And then the second party right behind me came maybe 15 minutes later. So come early if you want to go on the Lehman Caves tour. That's the great thing about the van life is they could be sleeping in the back. I can drive. I mean, definitely not far, but drive somewhere else while they're still sleeping, pick up some tickets to a cave tour, and wake up to us going on a tour later today. Isn't that nice? This morning I am cooking a instant macaroni for Runa. This is Chutsin Yating macaroni. We got this I think in Vancouver, probably like a year ago. I think this is still good. This is a cheese flavor one. It's like a mac and cheese type of deal. Just gonna have that. And for Spencer, we are going to be making a sort of a pancake using banana, eggs, and 1 strawberry. This is the first time I'm adding a strawberry in there. I want to see how the consistency is going to be. So, give it a try. I should use butter. Let's use some butter instead for Spencer's pancake. Hi, Spence! Good morning. I'll help you change it. Dada's cooking some breakfast. This is your pancake, yeah? You're gonna have some pancake this morning.
Dada.
Yeah. You hungry?
Eat, Dada.
Yeah, egg. That's egg there. Mama's eating. Let's finish your pancake and then we can eat, okay? Yeah, wait for this to solidify first and then we're gonna flip. Flip! How do you flip? Flip!
So cold, I don't know why.
Because you're not in the sun. We're missing the flour, so it's not holding shape too well. So let me cut this in half.
I showed the guys this took Mama's back.
Oh, that poked Mama's butt? Oh no. That's very sharp. That's a splinter there.
Mama.
Mama's sitting on the sun. Here, go to Mama. Let's bring a table over. It's a little hot, okay? So you gotta blow on it. That's right. Try it. Is it yummy? It is, right? Mm. You want eggs? And I'm heating up all the leftover from yesterday, the steak and the pork chop.
Because you get distracted by my macaroni.
You want some of this? See Oscar there.
Adi.
Oscar right there, yeah. What's that? You gonna help Mama and Dada take picture? Okay, let's do more. Okay, can we do it? Ready? Press the button, okay, Spencer? You got it? Yeah, you got it?
Cheese.
Yeah, do you see it? Cheese! Say cheese!
Cheese.
Let me see, come here, let's see. Let's see how you did. Let's see how you did. Let's see how you did. Oh, you did a video. You took a picture of the feet. 1, 2, 3. Press the white button. Can you press the white button, Spence? Yeah, you got it? Did you do it yet?
See.
Let's see. Let's see how you did.
See.
You see how you did? You did good, Spence. Look, you got Mama and Dada in the picture.
Dada.
You did good. Nice job. This is the first picture you take for us. Nice job. High five, Spence. Nice. Spencer knows how to operate our cameras now. We got a little cameraman. Good job, buddy. Yeah, you did good. Gonna look for Oscar? Where's Oscar? You gonna go take a picture of Oscar? Okay, let's get closer. Come on, where's Oscar, Spence? Oscar? Is that Oscar? Oscar is in here, huh? It is Oscar, isn't it? It is 1:15 now. We're gonna leave the campsite, leave everything here, and we're gonna head over to the visitor center now to do the cave tour. We're starting the tour.
And even people have been living here for thousands and thousands of years. And so we're standing here in the Snake Mountain Range. Down below is the Snake Valley. Kill any sort of bacteria that's on the bottom of your shoe. So we'll just step right through it like that. And there's been 10 different species of bats studied here. The bats that live right here in Lehman Caves, there's a population of about 40 to 50. Walk up along the ridge here, and you can see that original entrance, and I do air quotes because now it's just designated for the bats. And then stop in a room and keep going all the way to the Grand Palace. We'll have a few minutes to take pictures in there, and then we'll come back out the same exact way.
We are starting the tour. We're gonna start from the exit because the entrance section, the lights have gone out and there's a lot of stairs as per the ranger. So we'll do the back as an entrance. Are you excited for the tour? Yeah, we're gonna go see some caves.
Welcome.
Woo!
You hear echoes?
Echo! Echo, 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 echo. You hear the echo? We're in the cave.
1970 is when this was created. It's also your last chance to get it out of your system. So if you want to touch anything, feel free to do so. Get it out of your system.
Here we go. Okay, no touching of the walls, okay, Spence? Here we go. Oh, we gotta watch our heads, right? Ooh, how pretty is this? Whoa, look, Spence. Look at that. Yeah, we gotta make sure we don't hit our heads, right? You see this?
Welcome into the lodge room. Back in the day, the Elks Lodge hunting group would actually come down here for their monthly meetings. And I don't think it was a coincidence that this was during the 1920s. Okay, so this was effectively a speakeasy. They would bring musical instruments down here. Good times were had. Okay, so it went through those cracks, and as it went through the surface, it carried along with it minerals, and once it gets to the end here, it leaves those minerals behind.
So dark. The lights are off. See how dark this is?
It's just the invention of artificial light has been making darkness more and more rare. But with just the flip of a switch here, we'll get to experience something pretty unique. 3, 2, 1. Almost there. I think we made it, you guys. This is really cool. Do you see that? Yeah. That's your imagination. Are reacting to the UV light, so they're zooming around and emitting energy in the form of visible light.
Wow. Oh wow. Look at this. Don't touch it. 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 Okay, that's cool, isn't it? Yeah, we gotta keep going down. Duck, 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 duck.
Of this room, so if there's any hot takes, if you want to.
Wow, look at this.
Family came to visit a couple years ago. And this room could sound like a shower. Wow. Like these stalagmites, and then this kind of looks like a forest. Some drapery coming down the side. So those are named after World War II parachutes, but of course, feel free to use your imagination. A lot of people call those cave jellyfish.
Pretty, isn't it? This is a really cool cave, isn't it, Spence? Yeah, is it scary? It's very dark, isn't it? Dark. You like it? Yeah. Pretty cool, right? No touching, no touching. No touching, no touching. No touching. Yeah, that was a really fun tour, wasn't it? Check out the cave. And we learned some things about the cave. And we saw how dark it can get, right? When the lights are off. Duck. And we have to keep ducking, right? Pretty beautiful, wasn't it? And everything in the cave is marble. It's pretty interesting. All right, we're gonna head back into the van now. Spencer needs to take his nap. And we're gonna head back to the campsite. So what did she say? February 14th, they cut down the staff here by 20%. And it was yesterday they reinstated the staff here, the rangers.
That's good to hear.
Yeah, that's why they offer 2 tours today. And that's like the first time they're doing 2 tours in a while, which is really nice. It's a big difference. It's doubling the amount of people that can go. Oscar. Gotta take a nap. Nap time. I'm gonna be cooking over the open fire again today. I'll be cooking some chicken thighs and some steaks. Let me just season this real quick and then we'll get the fire started. I'm going to be using the Montreal steak seasoning once again. This is really good. This chicken is already seasoned, so it's going to be ready to be on the grill. We're gonna make some of the beef balls here. Beef ball tendons. Beef tendon balls. What? Beef tendon balls. You can call it however you like. Beef ball tendons. No? Tendon beef balls. We're gonna go start the campfire. You wanna help? Let's do it, Spence. Let's do it, Spence. Nice job. All right, let's start the fire. Yeah, in there. Nice. In like this. Put it in here. Nice. Whoa, look, we're starting the fire. You see the fire? Yeah, there's fire coming. And we're going to start grilling. We're going to be cooking this, okay? I'm going to leave this right here, okay? Don't touch it, please. Let's start cooking the chicken. Let's throw everything in. I think we can throw everything in. Chicken, go in. Let's put the beautiful steak in, too. Ooh, does that sound nice? Thank you, Spencer. Okay.
A big tiger.
Add the butter in time. Starting to get the temperature. So, this is looking good. Oh, the time. The steak is all done. Let's load this up. And as the chicken, they look great. There you go. We got beef balls. Let's add a little bit more butter on top of the steak here while it. Uh-oh. Hold on. This goes right on top. So it melts. You can put it on right here. Our steak look pretty good. What do you think? This is our steak and chicken and beef ball with tendon dinner. Yeah. Wanna go inside? Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Come on. Let's go inside and eat. Yeah, we're gonna eat. Oh, look at how nice the steak came out. It's pink. And the ball just fell down.
Uh-oh, it's on the cushion.
Does the steak look good or what? It look good, right? Look at that. Let's do some comments while we have some dinner. You still want yo-yo?
Baba. Baba.
Hey, bye-bye. Yeah.
Nice.
Let me know if you want more, okay?
Coco Love said, I love your video, so informative, and when I see your video, I love your routine. Spencer had nap time as you drive to destination. What kind of yogurt is that you purchased? I'm going to buy that for myself.
I don't have the container right now. I think the brand is what? Brown Cow.
Brown Cow.
Baba.
Brown Cow. Yeah, they don't sell it everywhere. We buy it at Sprouts, Whole Foods, and Sprouts. Those are the two places that we've seen them. But we buy the maple flavor, and Spencer really likes it. And thank you so much for watching our videos.
Shady Goes asks, my question is, I always see you cooking with the Korean bone broth soup bag. I'm wondering, where do you get those from? My second question is, which of you want to do the van life the most and first? Did one of you have to convince the other or bring up the idea to the other?
The Korean bone broth was bought in Costco, in the one in LA. It's very, very hard to find right now. The brand is J1. We've been searching for it all over the States, but we only saw it in LA one time, and then we saw it one time in Phoenix Costco. So only those two. Yeah, but they're really, really delicious. The Korean beef bone broth soups. Yeah, you like it too, right?
You can get it in H Mart. We saw
one time in H Mart. Yeah.
Which one of you want to do the van life? Did one of you have to convince the other to, or bring up the idea to the other?
We were watching a lot of the van life YouTube videos, and Rena and I were just kind of talking about different van layouts, and the more we talked about it, the more we were like, let's go for it. Because I think both of us agreed that like building the van was going to be a fun process, and having something that is designed by ourselves was going to be really cool. So we decided really together to do it. Thank you. That's the fan remote. Fan remote. Yeah. It was just like, was it possible to do it at the time? And it was during COVID. We were stuck at home with the stay-at-home order, and that's when we decided, let's buy the van, let's build it out in 3 months, and let's go on the road. And work somewhere else instead of stuck at where we were. People can't hear us when you're screaming.
Jimmy usually said I really enjoyed the driving segment through Baker. Definitely a little town. I think Baker is known for the ginormous thermometer.
Thermometer?
Yeah.
Really?
I had no idea. Anita Becker asks, you ever think about putting out a night camera?
A night camera? I'm not sure what that is. Like to look at animals?
Or is it to watch us sleep?
No, probably not. I'm not really sure the reason for it. Maybe you can elaborate in the comments, but I'm not sure why we would need that.
Adele Kito asks, how did the fried chicken and black bean sauce turn out? Do you dip the chicken into the sauce? Do you marinate your own rib? Getting idea and recipe from your cooking.
Yeah, the seasoning, the sauce that we used were from a brand called Lehman Caves. You can find it in a lot of Asian supermarkets. Most Asian supermarkets carry them, and some of the Walmarts carry them too. It's Lehman Caves. I've shown you guys the package of it, so if you guys want to take a look at it. And that came out really good. Has a nice hint of black pepper, and that was really delicious. And what was the other thing? The rib we marinated also with another Lehman Caves sauce. I forgot what sauce it was. I think it's a Korean barbecue sauce, but that came out really good too.
Happy MG11 said, when you come back to Vegas, you should try Diamond Bakery pineapple bun. Let me know if it's as good as Kiwa.
So I'm guessing they carry pineapple buns. This is the first time we're hearing someone say a place in Vegas has good pineapple bun. So we're definitely down to try it. Next time we're in Vegas, we're gonna check it out, look for it, and see how good it is compared to the other spots that we tried. Kiwa, Alice's Kitchen, and some of the other spots around the country and Toronto.
Eating it? SD Freddy said, I just bought a 2016 Sprinter 3500 diesel. Lemon. What is the maintenance like? Cost-wise and interval. Reading from San Diego.
Congratulations on your new van. Ours is a gasoline version, but I think the schedule is the same. And I really just go by whatever the schedule is showing on the dashboard. I think it's like every 10,000 miles and or every year, whichever comes first. And it rotates between service A and service B. Cost-wise, it's very expensive. I think service A is like $500, $600. Sometimes service B is like $1,000. And then depending on if there's any other thing, like last time we had the transmission serviced, that was very expensive. You could watch that video in the vlog when we were in San Diego. I forgot what day that was. But yeah, it's pretty expensive. I think diesel is actually a little bit more expensive than gasoline because I guess there's more maintenance to it.
Orlando Romano asks, does your wife know how to make food?
Thank you, Spencer. Yeah, we'll put it here then.
I will make it if I feel like it, but most of the time I don't feel like it. 22 Blashful said, basically you did everything, but what does your wife do? I don't do anything.
Well, she crochets and takes care of Spencer. She helps clean. You do a lot.
I don't do anything.
And that's okay. Oh, you don't like that anymore?
Ew. Just whatever I do, we don't show it on camera. It doesn't mean I don't do anything.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. She does a lot.
8014 said, love seeing a Chinese family doing van life. Will you guys have planned to come to Northern California, like Bay Area? And
It's funny. You're gonna choke if you eat it and it's laughing.
how much does Eric charge for a bag of wonton? It's $27 for 50 piece. Ew! We did have a plan going to Northern California, but I think the plan had changed now.
We've been to the Bay Area before. We really like it, but yeah, maybe next year we'll probably make a trip along the Pacific coast, Northern California, Oregon, Washington, and into Vancouver.
Rich 1B Mo9 DJ said, I tried eating all protein for 2 weeks and got constipated. How do you do it since you don't incorporate fiber or vegetable into your diet?
Eat a lot of fats.
Butter.
Butter and fat, yes.
Pipa.
Butter.
Pipa. Pipa.
For the carnivore diet, you should be having more fat than the protein. The fattier it is, the better it is, because fat is where you get energy, not necessarily protein itself. So eat a lot of fat and you'll go really, really well. Sometimes more than you would want. All right, I think that's all the questions there are. If you guys have any more questions, be sure to leave them in the comments below and we will talk about them in the next video. It was a pretty fun day at the cave, right? That was a pretty unique looking cave. And Spencer was actually pretty brave because they turned off the light for like 2-3 minutes. He wasn't even scared. It was like super dark and he did okay. Yeah, you did pretty good, didn't you? And yeah, it was fun. It was a fun day. And the meal came out pretty good. And tomorrow we're going to be leaving the Great Basin area to continue driving towards Utah. We got a pretty special place that we want to visit tomorrow. If you guys want to keep watching, hit that subscribe button so they get notified when the new video comes out. And if you guys enjoy watching this video, smash that like button so I can spread out to more people. We really appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. That's a loud laugh there. Can you say thank you? Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.